Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're looking at pretty small cap name, IRBT iRobot. If you are not familiar with this name, I mean they already have products out there, and I remember even Amazon wanted to buy them at some point too. But yeah, this company in the last 2 days, the stock up double digits today as well, 27%. I think that there's this event going on where a lot of tech names are announcing some products, some partnerships from January 7th. Actually, it started today. Today, I think right now, AMD and Nvidia, I think they're going to be presenting something, but I'm sure they are participating, and I'm sure that's why you have all those robotic names trying to bounce today. Yes, even on Friday, actually, the most of the volume came in, and IRBE. This is another name. Like this was what up like 60 something percent. Very small cap. I mean, similar smart capitalization as IRBT, but I'm not familiar with this name. But it looks like they have some sort of a deal with Nvidia. That's why it's popping. But IRBT, what I'm watching, this name IRBT, I remember trading it in October, losing IRBT, losing quite a bit of money on this one, trying to long it. The only attractiveness was for me the fact that it is pretty much low float and small cap. 385 million capitalization at this $12.61. So at this price, I mean, what if this stock doubles from here? What's the deal with this one? Well, this capitalization would be 780 billion, 770 billion, which means it could go up to $25. But what is the probability of that? I'm not betting that it's going to go up there, but I'm watching ultra short term to see if it doesn't fake out like it has done, where I was trapped a couple times, and I don't want this name to dump again and just pop a couple days. But this move right here, right now, is showing some sort of a higher volume than it has done at these levels, where it has gone up from around 7 to 13, and then from 8, 9 to 13, and today, well, last 2 days, 50%, more than that actually, from $8 all the way to $13. So this area, 13, 14, 50. What I'm watching for some sort of a move, maybe if it breaks out this level. And I'm watching for no more than retracement to these 13-ish areas. If it does break out, I want this name to actually hold, make higher high. And this could be another theme after quantum names taking a little bit of a break, or they're probably going to get faded. And if these names catch a bid, I would watch these names to the upside, because after this SES event, which is going to end this week, at the end of this week, if it's going to be sold and used and these names pull back, I would let that happen and then watch it next week, or maybe after that. But if it starts having more volume coming, and if it starts pushing, I might day trade it. But here are those levels I'm watching. So 1450, after 1450, I would be watching almost $20. And then after that, it has a huge gap down in the beginning of the year. I think it did dump right here from 40s, is because everybody was expecting them to get acquired by Amazon, but it did not happen. So gap down area of 2350, gap fill area. So that's another level I would draw as a possible resistance. 1925, 2350, and then I have these double here, so probably 28 bucks from there, I would be watching these resistance levels. I'm not telling anybody to buy this stock. It is very, very risky name. Year to date looks like it's already up 62%, and I don't like to pay up. I want to wait for some sort of a pullback. If robotics are going to be a theme, I like this name. So in terms of options, we still have 1+ more hour until market close. I'm seeing 63,000 so far call traded and only 2.4 thousand puts traded. And for the most part, if you take a look at the contracts that are being purchased, yeah, people are buying closer to the money, in the money, and 42% of these contracts were purchased at the asking price, which means these are buyers, bullish trades. But I'm not seeing one particular strike being attacked by, traders. I'm seeing some $20 strikes, $17 for February, $15 strikes, $12.50, $14, $15 calls for March. But option market looks bullish. So, but we'll see what it does. I'm watching for some sort of basically consolidation, a little bit of a pullback area. If it does clear out this 1450 for the rest of the week, and then I would watch this name for strength from there. But I don't want to get trapped on another dump back to these $10 or $9 areas where I would not be interested to trade this name. So that's what I'm watching for this stock. IRBT iRobot. They have actual product. I don't know about fundamentals at all, what's going on with this name. You can take a look at it, or we can come back and have a look at it sometime next time when we talk about this name. So you can go take a look at their website and what they sell, what they do. But I'm seeing some so far, these vacuum cleaners, that maybe some of you already have it. But that's the video. That's the update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Take care. Peace.